Welcome to this lesson on accepting help in English. In this video, we will learn polite and natural ways to say yes when someone offers to help you. We'll focus on 3 key phrases: yes, please, thank you, that would be great, and other useful expressions. These phrases are essential for everyday conversations and will help you respond graciously in various situations. Let's look at different situations where we accept help. First, when someone offers you drinks or refreshments. Second, when someone offers you a ride or help with transportation. Third, when someone offers to assist you with a task or project. And fourth, when someone offers you a gift. These are common scenarios in both personal and professional settings where you'll need to accept offers politely. Our first key phrase is yes, please. This is a simple and polite way to accept any kind of offer. It's safe to use in almost every situation. The phrase sounds friendly and gracious. It's short, easy to remember, and appropriate for both formal and casual conversations. When someone offers you something, yes, please is always a good choice. Let's see how to use yes, please in real conversations. If someone asks, would you like some coffee, you can reply with yes, please. That would be nice. If someone asks, can I help you carry those bags, you can say yes, please. They're quite heavy. And if someone asks, would you like to sit down, you can respond with yes, please. Thank you. Notice how this phrase works naturally in everyday dialogue. Our second key phrase is thank you. That would be great. This expression shows both gratitude and enthusiasm. It makes the person offering help feel appreciated and valued. This phrase works well in professional settings like the workplace. It also works perfectly in casual, everyday conversations. Using this phrase demonstrates genuine appreciation while accepting the offer warmly. Now let's see this phrase in real situations. If someone says, I can give you a ride to the station, you can reply, thank you, that would be great. If someone offers, I can send you those files by tomorrow, respond with thank you, that would be great. If someone asks, would you like a slice of cake, say thank you, that would be great. This phrase works smoothly in many different contexts. Beyond our main phrases, there are other ways to accept offers. You can say that sounds wonderful when you're excited about the offer. Use I'd appreciate that for a formal and sincere response. Say that would be lovely, which is warm and polite, often used in British English. Or simply say I'd love to as a direct and sincere acceptance. Each of these variations works well depending on the situation and your tone. Here are important tips for accepting help naturally. First, smile and be warm. Show genuine appreciation through your facial expression and body language. Second, respond promptly. Don't hesitate or create long pauses. Quick, confident acceptance shows politeness. Third, be specific if needed. Add a brief reason to show you truly value their help. Fourth, always show gratitude. Express thanks when accepting offers to demonstrate appreciation. Let's review the key phrases we've learned today. Remember yes, please for a simple and safe acceptance. Use thank you, that would be great to show enthusiasm and gratitude. Say I'd appreciate that for formal situations. Practice these phrases to sound natural and polite in everyday conversations. With these expressions in your vocabulary, you'll be confident and gracious when accepting help from others.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.